guys, it's the Boovers, and today we're going to be unboxing and doing a demo of Tekky's 1998 Scary Skull.
Hey, so we're going to be unboxing it right here, the Scary Skull. Alright, so let's open the bag. We got this from the antique shop. Let's see. Oh yeah, 1998
Scary Skull.
This is a very rare find. And with the box, let's see. There's the back of the box. Alright, let's do the demo. Alright guys, we're going to do the demo of them right now. Come on.
Have you seen my leg? How about this? Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. Excuse me now. Have you seen my leg? How about this?